Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the deviation in ideal gas behavior. In the last video, we had discussed about the ideal gas equation, that is PV equals to nRT. But we can say here that none of the above gas can follows all the rules of the gas as well as the ideal gas equation. Which rule? That Boyle's law, then Charles' law, then Gay-Lussac's law and Avogadro law, right? So let us discuss about the deviation from ideal gas behavior. Let us see deviation of ideal gas behavior, right? यहाँ पे देखो कि इन डेविएशन ऑफ आइडियल गैस बिहेवियर, द वर्ड आइडियल, आइडियल किसको बोलते हैं? कि जो आइडियल है, सभी रूल्स को फॉलो करता है ना, उसको हम आइडियल बोलते हैं, राइट? बट इन फैक्ट देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल गैस which follows the ideal gas equation completely. Not a single gas, not a single gas which follows completely the ideal gas equation. The ideal gas equation cannot be follows completely the ideal gas equation. कोई भी गैस ऐसा नहीं है कि जो आइडियल है, सभी लॉस को फॉलो करता है, सभी आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को फॉलो करता है, कोई भी गैस ऐसा नहीं है. बट इट इज बिलीव दैट रियल गैस बिहेव एज अ आइडियल गैस एट अ हाई टेम्परेचर एंड लो प्रेशर. पर हम ऐसा बिलीव करते हैं कि जो रियल गैस है, जस्ट लाइक हाइड्रोजन है, नाइट्रोजन है, ऑल दीज आर द रियल गैस एंड इट विल बिहेव एज अ आइडियल गैस at a high temperature and low pressure. High temperature and low pressure पे वो सभी गैस, ideal gas is behave like a we can say that real gas is behave just like a ideal gas. Understand? So यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ it is believed that at high temperature believe that the real gas behave as an ideal gas at high temperature and low pressure right? At high temperature and low pressure, the gas which obey the ideal gas equation and gas law at all the temperature and pressure, that gas is said to be the ideal gas. यहां पे मैं लिख सकता हूं okay, the gas which obey what? The ideal gas equation, the ideal gas equation and gas law at all the temperature and pressure. सभी टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पे आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को that is we can say which obey the ideal gas equation, that is are called ideal gas, are called what? Ideal gas. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आइडियल गैस बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? ये बात हमको मालूम होनी चाहिए. Is it clear? Actually we say that not a single gas is found as the ideal. मैंने पहले ही बोला कि कोई सिंगल गैस आइडियल नहीं है. But if the temperature is low and high pressure, then the deviation is observed in gas law and ideal gas. At low temperature and high pressure, टेम्परेचर लो है एंड प्रेशर हाई है, तो हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि द डेविएशन इज ऑब्जर्व इन गैस लॉ. द डेविएशन इज ऑब्जर्व इन गैस लॉ and ideal gas equation and ideal गैस इक्वेशन, राइट। अगर टेम्परेचर लेस है और अगर प्रेशर हाई है तो देयर इज अ डेविएशन, राइट। एंड वही डेविएशन हमको यहां पे पढ़ना है, ओके। सो हेंस at all the temperature and pressure do not follow the ideal gas, that is called non-ideal equation. At all the temperature and pressure the gas which do not follow gas law and ideal gas equation is called non-ideal gas equation. Non-ideal gas, अंडरस्टैंड। सभी टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर पे जो गैस फॉलो नहीं करता उसको हम बोलते हैं नॉन आइडियल। इज इट क्लियर? चलो, तो अब किस पे डेविएशन है? तो इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर, क्योंकि हमने ऐसा बोला कि हाई टेम्परेचर एंड लो प्रेशर, राइट। सो लेट अस सी दैट व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर। पहले तो हम प्रेशर की इफेक्ट डिस्कस करते हैं, फिर बाद में इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर डिस्कस करेंगे। चलो, तो पहले हम बात करेंगे इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर। इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर क्या है? तो to study the deviation in the behavior of real gas from that of ideal gas, the idea can be obtained by plotting the graph, right? By plotting the graph, by plotting the graph of PV by nRT, PV by nRT versus P, it will shows the deviation. ये डेविएशन बताएगा। where यहां पे PV by nRT, that is compressibility factor, understand क्या है? compressibility factor which indicated by Z. So I can write down Z equals to PV by nRT, understand? Is it clear? So Z equals to PV by nRT. Okay, now for ideal gas, I can write down here, for ideal gas Z equals to 1. Now if I put Z equals to 1, so I can say that PV by nRT, that is equals to 1, so I can say PV equals to nRT, understand? This is all for ideal gas equation. While for real gas, for real gas, either Z is greater than 1 or Z is less than 1. So we can say that PV is not equals to nRT. यहाँ पे भी PV is not equals to nRT. So it will shows the deviation. ये डेविएशन दिखा रहा है रियल गैस में, ये आइडियल गैस को फॉलो नहीं कर रहा, राइट। यहाँ पे देखो, अगर मैं ग्राफ ड्रॉ करता हूं तो यहाँ पे देखो एक ग्राफ है, यहाँ पे एक प्रेशर है, चलो P, और यहाँ पे PV by nRT, that is called Z, compressibility factor है। यहाँ पे Z equals to 1 है, ये हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम का ग्राफ है, which will be positive deviation। ये Z greater than 1, that is positive, Z less than 1, that is a negative, और यहाँ पे 0, right? Z equals to 1, okay। यहाँ पे एक डेविएशन दिखाया, then again it will be more and again it will be more, understand? So here ये कौन सा गैस है? तो यहाँ पे एक है हाइड्रोजन, ये तो हाइड्रोजन है और ये हीलियम है, और ये तीनों जो गैस है, पहले नाइट्रोजन, देन मीथेन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन है, ये मीथेन है और ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, ओके। यहाँ पे देखो, एट लो प्रेशर, अगर प्रेशर कम है तो ये प्रेशर 0 है, तो उस टाइम पे ऑल द गैस इज Z equals to 1। तो Z equals to 1 means PV equals to nRT. So all the real gas is behave as an ideal gas at a low pressure. हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना कि at a low pressure it will behave as an ideal gas. Understand? So ये जो ग्राफ है इसका डिस्कशन हम फिर बाद में करते हैं, पहले ये नोट डाउन कर लो। चलो, चलो अब इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखते हैं। अभी देखो, I can write down for hydrogen and helium it is less compressed than that of a ideal gas, so it shows the positive deviation. For H2 and He gas is less complex than ideal gas. Ideal gas. So it is called what? Positive deviation. Positive deviation. तो यहां पे क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. वाई? बिकॉज Z इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 1. ये देखो, हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम के लिए Z क्या है? ग्रेटर देन 1 है. सो इट विल शोज द पॉजिटिव डेविएशन. ओके, नाउ and it indicates that for all the value of pressure they are less compressed than the ideal gas. Why? For N2 and CO2 gas, for N2 and CO2 gas क्या है? At low pressure Z is less than 1. At low pressure I can say Z is less than 1. यहां पे देखो low pressure पे, and it is called what? Is called negative deviation. Is called negative deviation. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेगेटिव डेविएशन बोलते हैं, क्योंकि लेस देन Z is always be less than 1. It indicates that they are less compressed than ideal gas, right? Sorry, negative deviation means it is a more, it indicate that they are more compressed than ideal gas, right? Okay, where Z is greater than 1. अभी देखो, more compressed than ideal gas at a high pressure. At high pressure. चलो अभी हाई प्रेशर के लिए हम बात करेंगे. What is that? Z is greater than 1. Z is greater than 1 is called positive deviation. Is called what? Positive deviation. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Positive deviation, which indicate that at high pressure, which indicate that at high pressure, what is that? At high pressure they are less compressed than ideal gas. They are less compressed than ideal gas. Ideal gas. Understand? तो ये बात आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए. Okay? Then after, for all the gas, यहां पे मैं लिखता हूं, for all gas the pressure is reduced, and if it is a 0, then all the gas is behave as an ideal gas, right? So for all the gas the pressure is reduced, and the pressure is reduced, and when it becomes 0, when it become 0, at that time Z equals to 1. At that time Z is equals to 1. Means at 0 pressure all gas behave as a, means at 0 pressure all gas behave as an ideal gas. Ideal gas. Understand? यहां पे देखो ये 0 प्रेशर है तो सभी गैस बिहेव एज एन आइडियल गैस. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. अगर हमको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, ये ग्राफ भी आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. ये देखो कि यहां पे पीवी और पी का ग्राफ है, प्रेशर और वॉल्यूम, यहां पे है प्रेशर पी और ये है वॉल्यूम वी। तो ये कैसा ग्राफ आएगा? तो पहले तो मैं ये ड्रॉ करता हूं, ओके ओके। सो दिस इज द ग्राफ, और यहां पे ये जो है दिस वी कैन से इट इज अ रियल गैस, रियल गैस, और ये जो है दिस इज द आइडियल गैस। अभी देखो एट हाई प्रेशर, at a high pressure the volume of the real gas is more than that of an ideal gas, but as you goes on decreasing the pressure then the difference between the real and the ideal gas will be decreased, and at one time it becomes zero, and again if you reduce the pressure then also the difference will be there. Understand? So this graph indicate that due to the decrease in the pressure we can say that the real gas is behave as an ideal gas. Understand? तो ये बात भी आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए। चलो नोट डाउन कर लो। ओके चलो अब हम बात करेंगे इफेक्ट ऑफ व्हाट टेम्परेचर। चलो last point, next point, that is the effect of temperature, effect of temperature। चलो effect of temperature, let us suppose if you take the N2 gas and for different temperature of ideal as well as the real behavior, let us see that for N2 gas, right, if you want to draw the graph, ये देखो ग्राफ है इन विच यहां पे PV दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट एंड यहां पे P है, और ये जो डॉटेड लाइन है ना वो रियल आइडियल गैस की है। अंडरस्टैंड? ये आइडियल गैस है, और यहां पे ये जो है ये रियल गैस, ये रियल गैस, ये रियल गैस, दिस इज द रियल गैस। यहां पे टेम्परेचर T1, ये T2, ये T3 और ये T4, राइट। यहां पे देखो कि इस ग्राफ से हमको ये मालूम होता है कि अगर टेम्परेचर ये जो है दिस लाइन इज इंडिकेटेड जस्ट लाइक वी कैन से इट इज आइडियल गैस, ये आइडियल गैस की है, और ये जो लाइन है ना वो रियल गैस की है, रियल गैस। अब ये देखो कि पहले तो टेम्परेचर कम था, T1 is a low temperature. At a low temperature, we can say that it is a more compressed as compared to that of a ideal gas. Compressibility ज्यादा है। जैसे जैसे मैं टेम्परेचर बढ़ाता हूं वैसे वैसे compressibility will be decrease, and at one time it becomes flat. Understand? So we can say that at a high temperature, we can say that the real gas is behave as an ideal gas. यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर लिखना हो तो ऑर्डर कौन सा आएगा? T1 less than T2 less than T3 less than T4. So which one temperature is more? T4. Understand? So this is how you have to know, and how the deviation will be take place, that you have to know. यहाँ पे लिख दो कि the dotted line indicate the ideal behavior of gas. यहाँ पे लिखो dotted line indicate the ideal behavior of gas. Understand? At same temperature. At same temperature. Okay, at one same temperature. Right? Now यहाँ पे क्या होता है? The depth of the curve portion goes on decreasing. The depth of the curve portion goes on decreasing with increasing the temperature. At the temperature, as the temperature is increased, as the temperature is increased. जैसे जैसे हम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करता है तो क्या होता है कि ये डेप्थ कर्व जो है ना वो पोर्शन डिक्रीज होता है, राइट? एंड thus we can say that it behave as an ideal gas. Understand? Thus the deviation of real, we can say the deviation of real gas compared to ideal gas behavior goes on decreasing. Understand? Thus the deviation of real gas compared to ideal gas is decreasing. यहाँ पे डेविएशन क्या होता होगा? डिक्रीज होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड दिस, सो दिस टेम्परेचर ऑफ द गैस इज नोन एज अ बॉइल टेम्परेचर. ये टेम्परेचर को मैं बोलता हूं क्या? बॉइल टेम्परेचर. सो दिस temperature of the gas is called which temperature? Boyle's temperature, right? For different gas the Boyle temperature are different. For example, for N2 gas, N2 gas के लिए Boyle temperature कितना है? तो 332 Kelvin, right? 332 Kelvin. And for H2 gas the Boyle temperature is just like 108 Kelvin. So for different gas the Boyle temperature are different. From this today whatever we discuss about the deviation, from this we can say, पहले तो हमने ये डिस्कस किया कि कोई भी गैस आइडियल नहीं होते at all the temperature and pressure, but the real gas is behave as an ideal at a high temperature and low pressure. हमने इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर पहले पढ़ी और फिर बाद में इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर पढ़ा. इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर में क्या था? तो हमने ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया, कॉम्प्लेक्सिबिलिटी फैक्टर वर्सेस प्रेशर, एंड from that graph we can say that it will show the two different deviation, right? At a low pressure as well as at a high pressure. But if the pressure is zero, at that time there is a no deviation is there, and that's why we can say that all the gases behave as an ideal gas, right? Real gas behave as an ideal gas at z equals to 1, but at that time the pressure will be zero, that we had discussed. Then we had also discussed that when you draw the graph of pressure as well as the volume, then it will be shows that at a high pressure the volume of the real gas is more than that of ideal gas, but as you goes on decreasing the pressure, the volume, the difference in the volume between the real and the ideal gas will be decreased, and at one time it becomes zero difference. Understand? Then after the effect of pressure we had discussed temperature. So what is the temperature? So as we discussed that at a high temperature the real gas is behave as an ideal gas. So see, for N2 gas if we take, then at a different temperature the PV versus P, it is a, if the temperature will be low then it is a more compressed than that of a ideal gas, then the compressibility will be decrease and becomes a straight. So at this temperature we can say it is a Boyle temperature, right? And for different gas the Boyle temperature will be different. Understand? So all these are the deviation behavior of ideal gas. Understand? Is it clear? So up to here today it's enough. In the next video we are going to discuss about the attraction force, then that is a Graham's law of partial pressure, right? Then next point, that is Henry's law. All these are the different laws are there that we are going to discuss in the next video, right? Today then we have also discussed about the diffusion of gas, how the gas will be diffused. Okay, so that will be discussed in the next video. Today it's enough. Thank you very much.